Welcome to mentorminutes.com. This time we will learn Heron's formula. It is also known as Hero's formula. This is Mr. Heron, and he has given a formula to find out the area of a triangle. Here it is a triangle. In the area of a triangle, to find out, we have to first calculate the semi-perimeter. What is semi-perimeter? Semi means half. So it is here. Total perimeter is A plus B plus C. It means 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, and the semi of that means divided by 2. So we will come to know S. Here it is. So the value of S is 9. Now we have to calculate the area of a triangle using this semi-perimeter value. So this semi-perimeter value is S here in this formula, which has been given by Heron's. It is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Same thing I have done here. The S was 9 for this example. Here 9 minus 8, 9 into 9 minus 8, 9 minus 4 and 9 minus 6, and the root of this 11.6189 square meter. Sometime I used to choose this formula to find out the area of a triangle, because initially if I get a decimal number as a value of S, then it is difficult for me to calculate this root. This is square root to get decimal, then multiplied with decimal to decimal, and then again we have to find out the square root of decimal. So this is a little bit painful sometimes when the length of the sides of the area is different or in decimal. So if you choose this formula, that is also derived from the Heron's formula itself, by keeping the value of S at every places in the area formula by Heron's. So it is also very simple. Just you have to add starting A plus B plus C, all the sides of triangle. Then you have to just minus one of the side. Then add by 2 other sides. Then you have to minus another side, like minus B. Then you have to do here it's minus C. That's it. A plus B plus C, minus A plus B plus C, and here minus B, and here minus C. So this is not much painful, and you have to divide whole this number quantity 1 2 3 4, all four brackets quantity, by 16. Then you have to find out the square root. I have taken 16 inside the square root because if I take it outside, it will become outside 4. Like 4 into 4 is 16. But I wanted to calculate everything in a simple manner within the square root, so that once I'll calculate the square root, it is easy. All the decimal and other values within this will be calculated, and then we have to go for the painful process of square root if this is a decimal number kind of thing. So I choose sometimes this formula, but in generally this formula is as a standard. So it is up to your questions answers in the examination. Both things are same. You have to write these things first, then you can write as it derived this, and you can calculate your value quickly and fast. So I prefer this. Thanks, and that's it for now.